the biggest thing with websites like Kickoff is kind of like the credit strong. So you guys can definitely check out the credit strong because they can report accounts onto your credit reports just like the Kickoff account can. And then also to definitely look into Self. Both of these accounts are very similar to Kickoff. They do different things. Kickoff is like more of the I don't have a lot of money, I just want you guys to report kind of thing. And then Self, they actually have a secure credit card. So you guys can definitely check out the Self. They have that secure credit card. And then too, with the credit strong, they have more accounts. They have higher limit accounts too that they can report to the credit bureaus. And they also have business accounts that they can report. So those are accounts that are like the Kickoff account. Let me actually show you guys that Self account. So that you guys can see, because I really like Self. Self was like one of the first accounts that I told you guys um about. So let me show you guys that Self account. So this is a Self account here. They actually have the app that you guys can download. So let's go down some. This is their installment accounts that you guys can sign up for. So it's very similar to the Kickoff. Let me go back here. It's very similar to their credit builder loan. I'm paying $10 per month for 100 for 12 months, so a total of $120 dollars. These are like higher amounts that you guys are going to pay, so $25 all the way to $150. They do charge fees. You can see the final cost is here at the bottom. The final cost is definitely here at the bottom. I guess they're not going to let me highlight it. It's definitely here at the bottom. This is the one that I always do when I get this account. I don't have an account right now, but I normally just go ahead and get it just because it's, to me, it's like extra money being saved. I'd be so happy when this money come back. It's like extra money being saved. You pamper yourself, and it shows consistency. But this is like one of the main accounts I tell people to do. But this is an account that's very similar to the Kickoff, and then they actually have a Visa secure credit card, and I guess you can compare that to their cash card. But this one, they are going to charge you a $25 annual fee. The Kickoff, that new Kickoff, is not going to charge you an annual fee, but I do not know how that new Kickoff is going to report. So this is definitely another account that's very similar.